by these people who seem to be, I don't know, the for content purposes, ginagawa na ito sa social media para kumita. We don't care whatever their motives are. What is important is that we have to restore order along that national highway ng Marilaki para maiwasan na yung mga future accidents. So, may we know from General Mata, ano nang ginagawa
Thank
niyo
you,
dyan?
sir. Since I assume as the director of the Highway Patrol 2 weeks ago, that was my one of my guidance to my regional chief, the Highway Patrol 4A, as well as the Provincial Highway Patrol of Rizal, to be strict on the implementation of laws in that area. Because there's a lot of time na I view also in the blog of mga motorists na what is happening I know already what is happening in Marilaki. Unfortunately, nasa bayan, sir. But right now, we are coordinating and collaborating with the LTO, the LGU, for the enhancement of even the DPWH for the enhancement ng engineering ng lugar, whether we have to put rumble strip or CCTV just like an EDSA. That doesn't have to be no contact policy. We will have CCTV for speed limit of the highway itself. Kasi mabilis naman, sir, makita nyo uninhabited yung lugar. Kaya they are natitempt sila na maglaro dun sa lugar na wala nakakakita eh.
Kaya nga, I think yung approach natin pag gano'n na CCTV, yun nga, ma-record sa CCTV, pero yeah, patay na, na-disgrasya na. But what we think, I think the best solution there is police presence in
Yes,
that area. I think, General Lucas, you want to say something?
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everybody. On the part of PRO 4A, Calabarzon, I designated the Provincial Director of Rizal PPO as the lead unit para pagtuunan po yung Marilaki. We submitted, the Provincial Director of Rizal PPO submitted a proposal to the province of Rizal para gumawa ng interagency task force involving DPWH, the LGU, and the PNP. On the part sa PNP, it will involve the Highway Patrol, the RMFP, the PMFC, and the police station covering the entire Marilaki. Naisubmit po natin yan last week po sa province, and we are waiting for the approval. And as of last week, we designated a permanent personnel para bantayan po yung kahabaan ng Marilaki. Of course, kasama na po dyan yung HPG natin. Andun na po yung RMFP tsaka yung local police natin. However, kahit na po may police doon, sir, kung minsan itong mga motorista natin, ang bibilis po talagang magtakbo. Pag nakita yung checkpoint o yung mga kapulisan natin, mag-i-slow down ang mga yan. And pag nakalagpas na uli, haharurot na uli po yan. I think 3 years or 4 years ago, the PNP suggested na maglagay yung DPWH ng yung strip na goma, sir, para hindi bibilis yung pagtakbo. However, ang sabi ng DPWH, para baka magkaroon pa rin ng aksidente kasi yung mga truck na papaakyat, babagal naman yung takbo nila. So baka hindi makaahon, biglang aatras naman yun. So magkakaroon pa rin ng aksidente. With that, sir, yung mga police po na andun is permanent na po, hindi na po natin iiwanan yung whole stretch ng Marilaki. That's all, Your Honor. Thank you.
Very good. Kung naka-fix na yun doon at hindi lang naka-fix, kundi active talaga. Active, lalo na pag weekends, no? Alam natin yan yung, huwag rin natin, please don't get me wrong ha, na parang higpitan na natin ang husto na hindi na mag-enjoy yung mga leisure riders na dumadaan dyan. Dahil pag weekend talaga, yan yung pinaka parang pang release ng tension ng mga leisure riders mag-enjoy sa lugar. Yan, napakaganda ang kalsada, magandang palibot, very green. So, wag naman natin na gawin na very unattractive na yung Marilaki Highway to the the law-abiding motorist, di ba? Friendly pa rin tayo pero we have to be strict in the enforcement of the law dahil nga para maiwasan yung disgrasya. Yun lang ang sa akin. Ako, I am using also that highway pag weekend. Nagra-ride rin ako dyan. Kaya feel ko, aramdaman ko kung ano yung kaligayahan, kasiyahan ng isang rider makadaan sa lugar na yan. Pero yun lang, hindi ba iwasan yung sinasabi natin na I hate to use the term kamuti riders. May kamuti riders talaga na walang total disregard of safety. Isipin mo yung mga nasa National Highway ka, mag-Superman ka na yung paa mo para Superman ka na lumilipad na wala ng control. Anong control niya ngayon doon sa footpeg sa kuan? Number 1, balance. Number 2, control mo doon sa brakes at saka sa gear sa baba. Wala ka ng control dahil ang paa mo nasa malayo. So these are reckless forms of riding. Ito dapat ang bantayan ninyo dahil ito talaga nagkukusa sa aksidente. So, yung mga suggestion ninyo, anyway, alam naman natin, di ba, Highway Patrol, what are the 3 E's of traffic management? Director ng Highway Patrol, itanungin natin, what are the 3 E's of traffic management?
Enforcement, education, and engineering.
Ha?
Engineering.
Oh, yun.
That's why engineering is vital talaga, sir.
Oh, vital. You leave it to the DPWH.
Yes, DPWH.
Yung 3 E's na yan,
Yes.
ang pinaka-concern ng Highway Patrol is enforcement. So
Yes,
diyan
sir.
kayo mag-focus ngayon. Huwag kayo mag-suggest ng about engineering. Let the DPWH do their job dahil alam rin natin na may mga maraming consideration, technical consideration. Kagaya nung sabi nyo kanina na maglagay ng mga
Rumble
barriers dyan, baka akala ninyo yun ay nakakatulong sa enforcement ng batas. But then again, na-sacrifice ang safety dyan dahil magiging traffic hazard yan yung sa iba. Lalong-lalo na yung nga, sabi nga, yung mga hirap na hirap umakyat dyan, mas lalong babagal yung sasakyan nila. Baka may tendency pa na atras yung sasakyan dahil sa sobrang bagal, mawalan ng momentum. So, enforcement, education,
engineering.
and engineering. Enforcement, Highway Patrol.
Yes.
Engineering, DPWH. Department
Yes, sir.
of Public Works and Highways, di ba?
For the part of Highway Patrol, we committed our 18 personnel of the PhD augmented by the regional also, sir. And plus the force multiplier, we deployed them already there.
But then again, nakafocus kayo doon.
Yes,
Pero
nakafocus
again,
dun sa-
dapat rider friendly pa rin kayo ha na
Yes, sir.
hindi mawalan ng
Yes,
kwan
sir.
yung mga tao doon. Yung karapatan nilang gamitin yung kalsada at sumaya.
Wala hassle. Wala
Basta safe lang sila palagi. Pag
Yes, sir.
nakita nyo may overspeeding na, alam naman nyo. Alam nyo. Dapat yung may mga style kayo dyan na advance, meron na
may mga-
nag-radyo dahil yung iba dyan magpapahabol pa eh.
Yes, sir.
Oh, may radyo kayo, ito, haragin yung sonahan. So,
Kinonsider yun, sir, ang ano lang, challenge, pati cellphone, walang signal dyan eh. Yung especially dun sa may Devil's Curve and Manukan area, walang
radyo.
sir.
Gamit kayo ng radyo.
Yung radyo lang, tinitesting nga, sir, kung ay yung medyo yung Hytera, medyo hindi rin siya.
Maiksi lang ang
sir,
range.
ang range eh.
Hanapan nyo ng solusyon.
So, sir, ginagawa namin ng paraan, sir. Pati radar speed gun, na rin kami, nakapag-produce na kami itong, sir, last week for us to have, talaga, specific.
Meron na kayo radar, speed
Yes, sir,
gun.
we have already. Through the initiative of my regional chief ng NCR.
Education. Ang education, sinong
is the best.
kayo, part of the education rin ang ginagawa nyo, di ba?
Yes.
Pero more on, kung ito, LTO dapat, yung pag-issue ng lisensya. May LTO tayo dito? Wala tayong LTO. LTO is for education.
And
Highway Patrol, enforcement.
Yes.
DPWH
Another,
engineering.
yes, sir. Another